Another video. In this video, we'll show you how to publish your Excel document to Titan. Now, before you publish it and know how to publish it, you need to understand why you are publishing it. There are two reasons. Number one is that if, for example, let's say you are within a form and you want to preview before submit like this, then this is like option number one. This is why you would want to push it directly to Form Titan in case you want your users to click on a form and then see a certain file. That's reason number one. Reason number two is, let's say they want to click directly from Word itself, Salesforce itself. They can click on a button and view their Excel file directly within Salesforce. So those are the two reasons. One reason from the form, the other one directly from Salesforce. And I'll just quickly refresh this so you can see what I mean here. So one from the form and one from Excel directly. So those are the two reasons. But how do you publish it? Well, publishing it itself isn't going to do anything. It's like an end-to-end process. So for both of these individual cases where one you can view this from the button and the other directly within the form, these both are videos I have shot end-to-end. Okay, so you can watch those very shortly. But in a nutshell, let's say this is my document here and I want to upload it to Form Titan. What I would do is I would click on Publish. First thing, you need to make sure your filters are set up correctly. So it's like account ID equals record ID, blah, 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 whatever have you. Then what you need to do is click on New Form, publish the new form, give it a name. I'm just going to say Demo Publish to Titan. All right. Once you publish it, this document is going to get uploaded into Form Titan. So if I go back into Titan now, like this, and I go back to my dashboard, you can see there it is, Demo Published to Titan. Now this is my document. I can go directly in there and see the document itself under Document Generation, Excel Mapping, Configure, and here it is. Okay, I can download the template. So that's how you publish it. It's actually very straightforward, but as I said before, it really serves two purposes. One is to view it directly from a form like this. Second, to view it from Salesforce, and for both of those the process is a little bit different. And I've shot a video end-to-end for both of the scenarios, which I've pasted in the description. So be sure to check out the description for either of the scenarios and you're good to go.